Makiaria mocarine ya Chiromo kuria meguthiite kuona mwiri wa Samuel Ragira uria uroikaine ta UCS Ragira arutwo acio maugite ciiko cia wiki na University ya Nairobi ni ciongererekete na njira nene.
We as the students of the University of Nairobi will not accept that a life of the student of the University of Nairobi can go unpunished. Justice has to be served.
All comrades of this country will come out in solidarity to stand with one OCS Ragira.
Maugete murugamiri wa University no Professor Peter Mbithi agiriwo ni kweheria giturwa-ini giake makiuga ni aremetwo kurumbuya arutwo na mathina maria maragerera.
Professor Mbithi has banned cooking in the hostels. That has given Club 36 so much economic relevance because the students do not have anywhere else to buy food.
You must go because you have failed to protect more than 10,000 comrades. Comrades power! Comrades power!
Mubuge wa Embakasi ya irathiro Babu Owino uria ugwikinyitie mocarine iyo augite uthuthuria kinyi no nginya wiko niguo gukurana ni amaroragire mutongoria ucio wa tene wa arutwo. Maugite na gutuika ni ararikitie thukuru arari muteteri wa ihoto cia arutwo.
We want to give the DCI 48 hours to finish the investigation and we want to know the murderers of the said comrade. Failure to which we will summon the DCI in Parliament. Students are also going to take action. And as a former SONU chairman and still a comrade, I believe and I know that we are going to get justice. This will not just go like that.
Mushie kwa Ragira turacemania na Yvonne Kedi wa miaka 23 na uria riu ni wa ndigwa augite aramukire guku kia muthuri na kimako kinene akiuga arari mundu munini urari na kioneki kinene muturire-ini.
Hata siamini hadi saa mimi naona tu ni kama ameenda atakuja. Hata sasa hivi nikiona nikana mgoja hapa kwa nyumba. Alikuwa mtu mzuri sana. Alikuwa mtu wa familia anapenda familia yake. Yani sijui naweza sema aje.
As a former student leader, will ensure that any person who murdered our comrade is going to be dealt with. Let that person face the law.
Daya Ragira ethiete na mbere na gututhura mawoni ngurani guku thuthuria ugietererwo gukurana arariu na niki kiracungiriirie oragwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritoria kwa ne Mwangi wa Maina.
What should marry campus and give back?
Maybe more in the last time.